Here's a little well-established truth: Lamborghini began offering tractors until the point that its originator chose to attempt his hand at vehicles. The Lamborghini Aventador SV is the most brutal auto in the lineup, with its 6.5-liter V12 producing an amazing 750 pull, while the fundamental motor builds up a negligible 700. Both are matched with the main gearbox offered, a 7-speed programmed. There's additionally a Roadster variation accessible. Our fantasy was to make a unique open-top auto. We influenced it to work out with the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster, an unrivaled pearl of a supercar. Outfitted with a select innovation bundle, the gem in this current auto's crown is its carbon fiber monocoque. The style and vanity of a Roadster meet the energy of a normally suctioned 6.5-liter V12 motor putting out 515 kilowatts, 700 CV, with mind-blowing torque accessible at all motor velocities. The Aventador Roadster is an open-top supercar that consolidates liveliness and style. Find the specialized particulars and the full highlights of the Lamborghini Aventador Roadster. Game's execution: have you at any point heard the thunder of a normally suctioned V12 motor, propelling you from 0 to 100 km per hour in only 3 seconds? We have built and produced the Aventador Roadster definitely to give you an uncommon and interesting driving background which guarantees the adrenaline will course through your veins and never again abandon you. This is the reason you won't have the capacity to oppose the appeal of the super games auto that beautifully consolidates elite with the excite of a convertible auto. The Lamborghini Aventador Roadster acknowledges no bargain with regards to configuration. Motivated by the aeronautic trade, similar to the car variant, it was composed as the ideal marriage of execution and refined style, bringing about to a great degree usable vehicle which offers a jolting driving background.